No one ever believed Max when he said sneezing could fill his room with animals. But Max knew it was true, because every sneeze brought a new surprise: a tiny mouse under his pillow, a parrot perching on his lamp, or even a turtle slowly crawling across his math homework. The weirdest part was he never knew which animal would show up next. Tonight, as Max was climbing into bed, he felt a tickle in his nose. He tried to hold it back, pinching his nose and thinking about baseball, but the tickle only grew stronger. His heart beat faster with excitement and a little bit of worry. What if something huge appeared this time, like a lion or an elephant? With a mighty achoo, Max sneezed so hard his blanket flew off his feet. The room was quiet for a second, then he heard a gentle purring sound. Peeking over his covers, he saw a fluffy panda rolling around on his rug, munching happily on a bamboo stalk that hadn't been there before. The panda looked at him with sleepy eyes, and Max giggled, feeling relief wash over him. Max whispered goodnight to his new panda friend and snuggled back under the covers. As he drifted off to sleep, he wondered what tomorrow's sneeze would bring. For now, he was just glad his room was filled with soft panda snores instead of roars or trumpet blasts, and he decided that sneezing was a little bit magical after all.